Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a mixed grammar and vocabulary quiz. Let's begin. Question 1. This test is dash than the one we had last week. The correct option is A, easier. This test is easier than the one we had last week. Question 2. He finally dash up smoking last year. The correct option is C, gave up. He finally gave up smoking last year. Question 3. She dash a mistake in the test. The correct option is A, made. She made a mistake in the test. Question 4. I cannot dash your invitation. The correct option is B, accept. I cannot accept your invitation. Question 5. What is the meaning of reluctant? The correct option is B, unwilling. Question 6. What is the synonym of serene? The correct option is C, calm. Question 7. The wind will dash the door shut. The correct option is A, blow. The wind will blow the door shut. Question 8. He will dash the meeting to next week. The correct option is C, postpone. He will postpone the meeting to next week. Question 9. The guide walked dash the tourists while showing them the museum. The correct option is A, in front of. The guide walked in front of the tourists while showing them the museum. Question 10. He tried to dash his mistake by apologizing. The correct option is B, rectify. He tried to rectify his mistake by apologizing. Question 11. Break the ice means. The correct option is B. Begin talk. Question 12. She spoke in such a dash voice that no one could hear her. The correct option is C. Soft. She spoke in such a soft voice that no one could hear her. Question 13. The teacher asked the students to sit dash their desks. The correct option is A. At. The teacher asked the students to sit at their desks. Question 14. She will dash her friend to the party. The correct option is C. Invite. She will invite her friend to the party. Question 15. He gave me a good dash about choosing a career. The correct option is A. Advice. He gave me good advice about choosing a career. Question 16. The letter dash yesterday by the secretary. The correct option is B. Was written. The letter was written yesterday by the secretary. Question 17. Which of the following is a preposition? The correct option is B. Under. Question 18. She dashed the job because it didn't suit her. The correct option is C. Turned down. She turned down the job because it didn't suit her. Question 19. The car suddenly dashed on the highway. The correct option is A. Broke down. The car suddenly broke down on the highway. Question 20. She dashed in the city since 2015. The correct option is C. Has lived. She has lived in the city since 2015. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye.